If your phone stopped working today, should you repair it, sell it, or upgrade? Some people don't actually know. They guess, and guessing can be expensive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to decide whether it makes more sense to repair, sell, or upgrade your phone so you don't waste time or money. At TCA Wireless, we buy, sell, and repair devices every day. Apple, Samsung, LG, Google, and more. People walk in and don't know if the phone is worth fixing, selling, or replacing. At TCA, we understand the importance of keeping you connected to your family, your friends, and your business. And our job is not just to fix phones, but to help you make the right choice. Sometimes I react before I look at the situation. And when my phone stops working, life stops and stress takes over. I'm missing work calls, Zoom meetings, family messages, school notifications, and business emails. The goal here is making the smartest decision in the shortest time possible so you don't put your life on pause. Phones aren't just devices, they're tools. And when your tools break, you want it fixed fast. But rushing can sometimes lead to guessing, and guessing can be expensive. Let me tell you a story. We had a customer named Lisa come in recently. Lisa brought in her 13 Pro with a small crack. Lisa was stressed out and simply wanted to upgrade. But when we looked at it, the phone itself was solid. The issue was just the display. While she shopped at Don Quixote, we replaced the screen in under an hour. It worked again just like new, and she saved thousands. On the other hand, we've had our customer Neil from the last video. He had a spare phone that needed a battery. The repair cost was so expensive that it didn't make sense to keep it anymore. Instead of repairing it, we helped Neil sell it. He walked out with cash that same day. Sometimes it makes more sense to repair like Lisa, and other times it makes more sense to sell like Neil. The goal isn't to push in one direction. The goal is to make a smart decision. So how do we know what a smart decision is? Let's consider each option so you can decide what makes the most sense for you. First, let's fix it. Repairs usually make sense when the phone is still fairly new, the issue is isolated like a battery, a screen, or a charging port, and the repair cost is much lower than the replacement cost. A battery replacement can extend the life of your phone for years. In many cases, you don't need a new phone, you just need the right fix. Second, sell it. Selling makes sense when you've already upgraded and the phone still has resale value. It's sitting unused and market demand is still strong. Phones lose value over time, so waiting means less money. Third, upgrade it. Upgrading makes sense when the repair cost is close to the replacement cost, the device is around 5 years old or more, you need more features your phone doesn't support, and performance is consistently bad. So before you decide what to do next, let's clear up a few of the most common questions we hear from customers every day. How do I know if repair is worth it? Bring it in. We'll inspect it. We'll give you our recommendation. If repair makes sense, we'll tell you. If it doesn't, we'll tell you that too. No more guessing. How long does it take to repair a cracked screen? Most screen replacements are completed within 1 hour. And all of our screen replacements come with a lifetime warranty for as long as you own your phone. More complex issues may take longer, but we'll keep you updated. How do I know if my phone still has value? Phone prices vary depending on the model, storage size, condition, battery health, and whether it's locked or unlocked to a particular carrier. All of these factors affect value. The best way to know for sure, bring it in. We'll check everything for you and give you a good offer on the spot. Do I need an appointment? And where are you located? Walk-ins are welcome. Come down to any TCA Wireless, Honolulu, Pearl City, and Waipahu. Is upgrading always the best option? No. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. Upgrading too quickly can cost you more than you need to spend. If your phone is several years old, if performance is holding you back, or if repair costs are approaching the used replacement prices, this is when upgrading makes sense because newer phones mean better battery life, better cameras, stronger performance, and better support. The goal isn't avoiding upgrades. The goal is upgrading at the right time because guessing can be expensive. So why upgrade at TCA Wireless? At TCA Wireless, we take care of all these checks for you. Every phone we sell is fully unlocked, meaning it will work with any carrier. We guarantee the device is not blacklisted and doesn't have an iCloud or activation lock. Each phone undergoes a thorough inspection by our technicians. Cameras, speakers, Buttons, sensors, and batteries are all tested. Do you offer financing or payment plans? Absolutely. We believe everyone should be able to get a reliable phone without breaking the bank. At TCA Wireless, financing a phone has never been easier. You can fill out our financing form and often get a decision within minutes. This lets you get the phone you love today and pay later. If you're interested in financing, ask our team or visit the link in the description. So here's what I want you to remember. If your phone is acting up and you're unsure what makes the most sense, don't guess. Bring it in. Let us check it out. We'll walk you through your options: repair, sell, or upgrade. No pressure, no confusion, just solid guidance. At the end of the day, it's not about just phones. It's about making the right decision for you, because guessing can be expensive. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll talk about cracked iPhone camera lenses and how to avoid a very expensive repair. So before you spend thousands on a new phone, stop by today. Our team of repair specialists and I look forward to welcoming you to TCA Wireless, where we treat you and your phone like family.